In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create spaces in Confluence. A space is where your team's pages, blogs, and knowledge live together, so setting it up thoughtfully will make collaboration smoother from day one. Start by opening Confluence and heading to the Spaces area in the top navigation. From the drop-down, choose Create a Space. This opens the setup flow where you'll define the basics. Give your space a clear, descriptive name so teammates can find it easily later. Think about how people will search for it. Using a team name, a project name, or a function often works best. Then choose an icon. This small visual cue appears across Confluence and helps folks spot the right space at a glance. Pick something that matches the purpose or your team's identity. Next, choose the purpose for the space. You can set it to collaboration for teamwork in progress and discussions, knowledge base for structured reference-style documentation, or custom if you want to fine-tune things yourself. Collaboration is great for daily work, knowledge base suits FAQs and help docs, and custom gives you maximum control. Now review space access. This determines who can view and edit content. You can click default to keep Confluence's standard permissions. If your organization already has a great setup, click Copy Access Settings and use another space's settings to inherit proven permissions without starting over. If the content is sensitive, you can switch to Restricted to limit access to specific people or groups. Choose the option that best matches your audience and security needs. You can also customize the space key if you want. This short identifier becomes part of the URL and search filters. Keep it brief, memorable, and aligned with the space name. Once you start sharing links, a clean key is helpful. When you're happy with these choices, click Next. You'll see a confirmation screen for your custom space. Take a moment to confirm that the name, icon, purpose, and access are exactly what you intend. Before creating the space, you can check or uncheck features. This is where you enable or disable components that shape how your space behaves and what shows up by default. Adjust these to match the way your team works. You can always revisit this later if your needs change. Finally, click Create Space. Confluence will set everything up and take you straight into your new space with the settings you selected. That's it. Your space is ready with the right structure, identity, and permissions in place, so your team can get to work confidently and stay organized as you grow.